Mame Mao akwaba efa umbra Ghana Sem TV GH mesre like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification so that anytime you post a video bit say we are usambekebi. And for ebuzianwo Lotto forecaster na swayeshi. Sema muni Lotto forecaster Musa Dankwah.
There is a young man here in Ghana always do political posts.
Abrante bi ewo omaim ha debia oye swayeshi. They say Musa Dankwah most of the predictions in our favor NDC. And allegedly, and him say, more money was on Bezamika. They say there, on one crop for Amuye, we say NDC for more branches or more executives be brave. Aside no for who national a party or more recognized executives of the NDC no or more executives from so mere suffer for. Almost somebody comes share edit Ghana for. Then more pollsters sell Lotto forecaster. Almost that Ghana for. Then they have fake neutrals me juma or media mo. Almost that na. Then they have aside almost no more CSOs. They say Franklin Kujo mo. Omunye na kan and form a part of the NDC architecture. And some of the times, you know, so say nyama nkoyi, but Musa Dankwah nkwade or koye posa or sing a poll say nyama nkoyi. Sometimes to say Musa Dankwah koye pola or see Ghana 4% joma ba nko tete. But because I say minimum eko so I say dianenu nsera nko sa Lotto forecast wonu science. Ni post na say yes sir. Say Ghana 4 MPP NDC assembly. Ghana 4 nyanka ba many year man penny. Ghana 4 see they cannot wait for 2028. 2028 na wa crowd to open them ama MPP back to power. And say you know NDC 4 mo unleash one of our branch executive Jesus ahun fe. Say onko na mo ko attack Lotto forecaster. And Jesus ahun fa ba about make say Nyakupon say Emma NDC for NTA Lotto forecaster no biom. Now no Nyakupon angasa na di NDC. Flag bearer no beba. Na nye Lotto forecaster na chanto na dada nkrofo na enye ono. Ebusianfo. Mi de ba ne se a, mi ni hweke o. Mo amun se bi video bi se ya mi ne short because mi ni hweke. Omo fi asem ba media me be ma mo update eke me see Nyakupon ni ba me Nyakupon no before 2028 no MPP4 ade ye campaign yenye bi o yenye bi eno say no ya pemot ni coke bi na etina na across ye nine na ye bulk tips no e ma Ghana for say mo amuntie o mo numa asem o enye ye na ya kan o omo na mo kan ye o omo na mo expose o mo hu Musha Juma Mabeyu, say na must say your country na my, or must say your security, or must say bibiano. That's all. You can't na your CP, mort, na you no mort. I did take Ghana for. Because Ghanaians and Kasano, or moon on Bepama in this ifra by mo. In fact, 2028 election, minye odi for, but I can tell you, NDC is going to suffer the biggest humiliation in their history. In 2028, market. I repeat, NDC as a political party is going to suffer the biggest electoral defeat in their history in 2028. Market where it does not rain. And in 2028, you will bring me back my stone. We are
there is a young man here in Ghana always do political posts.
Abrante bi ewo omaim ha debia oye amanyosom enhyehyeye say we ne be winner.
And the post that you are doing is not from God, his own will, his own plan.
Na sa Abrante na ade na ya ohyehyɛ no emfiri nyame eyono anadwen.
And God said I should tell the NDC people that the report that they are hearing is not from God. So they should forget any political posts around them.
That
man is doing posts because of his stomach. God said, my son, I have chosen my leader already. So he's already chosen. They should forget every post that coming. And they be focused and move on. Otherwise, statement posts will disturb their party. So they should be calm and be focused and know that God has chosen his leader already. So the man that is doing the post now is not from God, but he do it because of his stomach. This man is leading, this man is second, this man is third, this man is fourth, this man is fifth. He's a liar. God has chosen his leader already. It appears physical. So that all the people will see that this is the chosen one. Lord.
Young campaign. And as a young fan kayasem, na yan say a hina good. Why is Kennedy doing this to MPP? This man is bringing his own name into disrepute. He is rubbing his own name on the floor and in the mud. He is even burying it in the mud. Or the name no no ankasa nanim ene ni din no or the ura atechemu ene baby amekoje obi no go to ensuo borehole edema obi where clay na at the end of the day what I saw there no enu bi ena Kennedy e Japan ediniti ewura mu ani ni din ewura sade no. And you can, anytime you bring it out, you force and bring it out, you can never wash it to be clean again. Yeah, selfishness and wickedness. Selfishness and wickedness. You end up killing yourself. Now, my name is Kennedy for me, at Kennedy, any Kennedy Japan. I don't know. I don't know what is happening to the head that God has given to them. I don't know what is happening inside. One is, you see, fortunately or unfortunately, all of them claim they have PhD. One says his is something else, and one says his is academic. But when you join both together, a chaff, a waste, a useless. Look, brother, and you know, money is not everything. And a harshness on your fellow human being is never a solution. When you try to be harsh, to be difficult, to become a bully on your fellow human being, you achieve nothing. You achieve nothing. Is he trying to tell us, Otana, a friend is saying, defense committee so our parliament. When who time now, 2016, 2017, the state of or the level of a friend is saying that military hospital. Opeso catch and say when who said they are neti? When who said they are neti? And then at the time, less than 2 years ago, Anna MPP Efisono. And also when who said they are neti? Oni nanado nyina na fee so nanado eko efi so as president. And on also feel so as MP. No san here defense committee chairman. What kind of disgrace is this? And what kind of shameless attitude is he trying to put up? Can you bro? Anytime a MPP, your boy a humodia say, and no matter you calm, na normal to 2 year no, then pa. Then say, whom be a film maba. What is it? Where did we go wrong? And what have we done wrong? What have we done wrong? They took Kennedy's at a Kennedy, the same thing. Why you interview as someone would be so no crown? Where giant not to Aquababa say, oh, Dr. Mao, only Dr. Tanasi, 45 minutes. I bet they were done who read a referee. 45 minutes. Why we are no say asama oh what do be asam koma what the abronya any ma bi asama o ka kire o ekoma doctor okokai no doctor couldn't defend himself. Who are you? Now what done a friend is saying judge and a court. I will someone will be on your own. Will someone doctor on your own? Yeah, leadership. Leadership, what we need in leadership is slow speaking. When you speak or you talk slowly, it's one thing, one quality in your leadership. When you listen so well, and sana, we bisa asem, and I say what kasama for their uti and when I in your leadership. What hanu me guni pe ni masi basa. I think boni pe pa na nipa da sani dia yo. Boni pe pa na nipa da sani odi aye wo wiase. Sika waba MPP mu a waba benya Kennedy Japan sika waba MPP mu a waba wabenya ufi taxi adwuma wo US na o de ba Ghana no na why na nim odin why na ate odin da me pa cho nipa dodo nipa ni US a almost o mu twi taxi
Mo ba.
we bo mu din a why na nim o
Achora pia for me 1 minute to mess up.
me pa cho you we a health professional.
Yeah.
We a health professional. Excuse me to say ene nyame aye wadom a wetimi aba be MPP health committee see. Ofo say sanka adwuma na owo mu no eno na owo mu saa na wonfa won ho andom MPP a anase wan sipe na won ya discussion wa ha na what you have in you will be on earth. Would your name be even heard?
Never.
Or would you be even called somewhere?
I didn't page
show appreciation.
I didn't page no din enye the voice of Harris na the voice of MPP. Obi anim Harris for baby.
Ayo bro. You see, never be saying no isia and a ho ya. Ken, let's call a spade and not a big spoon. What bre MPP ache. Utwen hu fi MPP mu ache. En how ho emba mefa asem bi so emba meka say obi aba be ka wanim anaso obi aba ka wasemti. You what we know best of you is say obi ka nkrofo ho asem anaso obi ka asem obi ba na obi yi wano a osi wi dipa ko na didi watem dipa ko ni mbu ade. That is all you know in your life. Why? When you be an MPP ayo. When you be an MPP ayo, you can leave us today and we will grow. Leave us today. Nipa bi a opese o twu mfi MPP ma do mbeko no. Wo de fa ko. We will lose nothing. You lose we sika bia. We sika kwa wo bia no. Wo de fa ko. Fa we sika no ko. Ye bagije 1 peso, 2 pesos, 10 cedis, 1 cedi. Sa ye be nya sika ye hia no. Na ye de aye adwuma we say ye. Apa.
That's it, the joy. I think, sir, one of the biggest mistakes a year after 2024 to still receive a check from a honorable Ken. Mubeka ya beka say party ni broke na yan church perform we juma party head office in Yamanyamano. I think it was a mistake that we did. We made a mistake, Anka. Ebusan for I think I restore live net. Yeah, power tapping. I kind of say share the live also. I can't 30 minutes now. Let me take a reaction from Uncle Joe Sumati. Has been on for a while. I mean, take a reaction from him. 3 minutes. Then I go to Berima, right? It's Uncle Joe Sumati. But what reaction be?
My reaction was now can say I was a mistake. Say take it. check from him. Yeah, any mistake in a sense, you see, of him who soon, and one you did not need any name. Party no yes can free into the bois party na any mistake. The point of correction, any mistake. Because I cannot the boy from party no through party no yes I can. And you know, yet one the bottom she can in 50 with some yet, and not the bad day. A bois party. It does.
Yo, that's it. One noted. Berima Bremer.
Mechia obia na dwe the joy mechia menia senyon so ko voice na mechia pa me gidi so ho ye
na ba cha mejoso na mejoso
ai it's almost sometimes no na say some of us ba be kan asem bia ana man for me say we are being tribalistic ai me a typical akani. My mother is akan, my father is akan. I always say MPP, you been a problem, yeah, it will come from the accounts. And the open that can afford the MPP no as a party, been a problem. They be a mechanic say, yeah, can for no young one a cottage a Bruni aeroplane, I bet you dream. You need him at the correct aeroplane. You know, answer pa, BBB, I bet you everything. And only on find you cool. There be that. You see, Adia Kennedy Yakako can me and me yao na because I would say this is what happens when you don't have good handlers. This is a clear indication say Kennedy was in Japan. Those who are handling Kennedy in Japan no are good. Secondly, Penny be on in Nambia Obama as a uncrofo a woman war competition mo am I vindicated no penny not just a subject period as an admin form. The American sir. And someone I be proud to presidential primaries now amount for air cancer Kennedy dear or don't know why a beta on your presidential material when you see no and that's more kind of confirm and pass and some amount for kind of no correct. Because somebody can the joy can say thank you to about my one and can be a presidential candidate of the New Patriotic Party now and can be make it out and can make it. In the some focus do party no, it is true. It is very true. So it is a bit maybe assembly nyame ya ono ankasa na we mama kan crunch like Kennedy no kura wompa ne say saade ne say MPP by 8 years o mama ye we see Ghana form party bi o Ghana form party bi o da bia me ka say Ghana form bi tu ade so wo hu na mbi tu ade so wo hwe ya mo trima yo de last me koye program bi wo sehwe na me koto mama bi na as a politics ya be mo se ono de ade ba ko se na yi kura ne se yesi efre papa bi Musa Dankwah da bia oba o se o Ghana fo nyina ni ji Joma ma ye no ono kwa na no o tire do sana na bu ofu kura na wadwa kura you see and this woman to the best of my law NDC nipa chese
what's up problem
o sefi be kwai o NDC nipa o say papa mo de mo kwa mo ka ade ba kwa be hikura no say ye frɛ papa bi Musa Dankwah o sɔre o say Ghana for pe the NDC for ye no wo be tie kokoro so wo be say makosko ye muso be kasa yi mo de eduru 2028 ngbo you see so be kasa na MPP for anya hwe wa fari hu ne anya na Ghana for pe tie o anya na tin se na adwenya ne say Kennedy na adwenya ne say wo be ka asem bi ama Ghana for aka say o Kennedy die onye partisan mbo no Ghana na odwene ho aya Kennedy wo no meaning no well meaning Ghanaian and be just Kennedy or because say Brabidi president of Ghana no Debbie even as it stands on your physical appearance crop on bifite and the oil de crane bifite what I say something producer the woman nyina say NPP for yes aboy beka wa na ofiuntumem NPP political party ni ka kire mo enkrofo mpeso mo mpese ba o be president. And those who don't want Baumia to be president, they are not from NDC. Trust me. Those who don't want Baumia to be president, they are from NPP. Those who are single tribal lines, religious lineage within NPP. NDC, the only thing a woman and they say, Omono de Yapu, Omo political opponents. You know, they will fight Dr. Bawumia, but within NPP, Nyankopon wo ya dom na yankoso ehun nkrofo mo mpese Dr. Bawumia be di president no. They are in the party. Ebinom pe national executives, ebinom pe regional executives, ebinom pe constituency executives, ebinom pe aba be parliamentary candidates. I am telling you, it omo trimpo no edidi NPP mu nti eho na wo se ye ho adwuma. The party should not fear sanctioning any recalcitrant, any sycophant, any dishonest person. The party should not be reluctant to sanction that person because, like Joy said, MPP went to polls to win the election 2017 without a substantive national chairman and a substantive general secretary. Yet the party won. Ghana focus on one for no more now one for no Ghana focus a yempe bi ma yempe obi intiminua Dr. Afrani Bawumia 2028. He is the one Ghanaians are going to vote for. Say Kennedy pe on pew or pew on pew or pew on pew. He can never lead MPP. He can never win election for MPP. He can never be a presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party. Good night. The voice. Wait me. I drop it.
Thanks for coming through. And Nanaiji, please come through. 5 minutes. If you have a call here. Nanaiji. Now I'm meeting him. I said, only one.
Okay. The voice, Nyamishira Mune, Jumapa Moye. Me, Nyama Kakrebina, Hame. You say, proud to, I think, say, a first primary sinner, yeah. And no, you say, Semubera. Honorable can call one of the station. Emma, where who's to be sound, say, Ulusua will be free MPP. Emma, what kind point blank say, me free, met him, na met te warm. Semubi, a Kaiser statement now. Okay, say, on room free, Nemo, better tea. So, share ne team, no Mudinachi, proud to Fagbalashi, please. Yes, soon mafia mo, or show more comment or more videos or more yet recently. Yeah, you'll be our winning per se and pass or better MPP party. No, intermediate, the message say, more my young man, attention. So, after promising, no, he didn't acquada. I wouldn't say, will lose suit. Ama kaya sonimu Ghana for abi sonimu a heli noa but where who sana ni din akoda no yaw ewo nimu say na Ghana for kra no say de na me hunu no nye sa na tie nti o say obetru bomb bitum na ni din esa asole eno eka ho na ama na akoka sansim wi nti se the attention man bebre na doctor enyuma pa doctor ni so adi hu aye bo ho dawuro no ye jai e de adwen komana ebe ha MPP isempanifo bebre wa MPP mu a se de enua ba akokan no omu benya pa na ka doctor a medi MPP party nanim ejuma bebre wo ho a ewom obadabai we obadabai a fe de ono na abeye ohene anase wabe konka ye nyina ntinipa bebre penifo bebre omu di saa yaw no omu nyina so ye omu a omu twen omu nko a ho omu nwi da chinchiri ma ho enwi MPP party no ho so hwe ne nkofo di nachi honorable sticker proud to primaries nsem bi okoke kan ye ko yusu even tribalism nyina de bam mamu ma yem fa ya dwen bebre enko honorable kan so se eye obi a why na adwe MPP party no be ha party no fi se wa bi na no aka se memi film ne mo metete wo mo wa bi na no aka nti mo ma yem fa ya attention ni nyuma pa ya start ya bo doctor hu de roman crofo gidi no mo ma ya attention bebre enko honorable kan so eno hwe a oka asem a NDC for pa na efa NDC for beg ya hu discussion bebre no am join NDC bi o chenu no mo kan me friend ba ko o NDC ni o de aye ni start no twerɛ comment no ye say asɛ wama wo mo so mu ni sɛ wama mo ani da so bi sɛ o MPP ni na abɛka say ntie ne yenya wo mo ntie ɛyɛ nneɛma bebree na Honorable Ken wapra ne gu n'anim sɛ ɔbɛyɛ sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ a 2024 election a yɛkɔɔyɛ campaign platform pie no Honorable Ken gyina so a wɔka asɛmpa bia afa MPP ho okɔgyina so a ana yɛnkɔpa grassroots na kyɛw ana yɛnyɛ sei pani bi a wɔkasa wayɛ biribi atia obi kɔpa ne kyɛw nneɛma MPP yɛ pie no Honorable Ken timi gyina platform so ɛbɔ ho dawuru ɛkaayɛ ɔkasa 5 minutes 10 minutes ya ɔnka asɛm bi a you as voter ebeto utim sɛ sɛm Honorable Ken akan deɛ ɔsɛ meto abama MPP ayɛhwɛ a enua baako kan sɛ sɛ the voice one akan sɛ mistake sɛ you receive check yenye mistake is Honorable Ken the sika unyaye etimi aka sɛ mu 70% unya because of so MPP member even while we sit our transfer so many years Honorable Ken timi am protect seat na MPP am a seat na kodi NDC for nsem NDC time Honorable Ken chia ye che no na MPP for akobo chinku ofo agya o adwuma no mu di nachi ni nyina enye ne fe ne dia ne se wa medi party nanim ko a de o se wo ye bibi me ka se Honorable Ken enehwe ne nkrofo di nachi na nse miti Honorable kwaku kwati se kojo kwati o make statement bi in fact na onye obi a me pe na asem but that's no can e man be pe na asem pa enti e blason se Honorable Ken yemfa na asem to akiri se wo hwe Alan ete ne ho okoye Obsen Solomon omukọ radio so a political party also pay to me okwa na osa attack obi owo position MPP owo position no na osa attack no NDC ni kasa obe dia mana kasa MPP ni kasa pe no ma sole agina ombe interact sa omunso mun kanya nsasem bia nti eyepa omabo omienfo asem nto akiri na yen soli nyina na yen ton doctor ema Ghana enema MPP ye no yemo ho dawuro enhyehyɛ pa se de doctor starte wapa committee bia na mo hwɛ nemam ede manifesto aba enhyehyɛ pa doctor de beban eno ne ose ebo ho dawuro enya asankrofo no nyina asɛm mo ebɛboa MPP party no edamu bi ase